What's up, guys? Back with another video. And today we're gonna be playing some The Hood. Subscribe and hit that like. Now people are going crazy out here. Damn, nigga. Oh shit, bro. So you wanna friend me on Fortnite? RTYT. RT is spelled RT. No space YT. And that's how you can friend me on Fortnite. And here you can friend me. My name is Jordan, and I have this. So if you wanna friend me, you can add me because I'm a YouTuber. So yeah, all these people don't know I'm a YouTuber because they don't watch my videos. But damn, they crazy. They go crazy out here, bro. Oh goddamn. This is not my actual skin color, but I like it, so I put it on recently. Everybody chill. Everybody cool. Everybody cool, bruh. There's a tornado out here, no cap, bro. Yo, chill, nigga, chill. Oh shit, oh hell no. He's crazy. This nigga got crazy, man. I'm opening the door. For real. I know got crazy, bruh. This is a guy right here. He's a scammer. Dopey. Bro, open the door, bro. He's so scared, bro. TNT. But this kid had to chill out. Yo, for real, get out of my street, bro. Get out of my street. Nigga, get out of the street, bro. Acting like a girl, you're a boy. Oh god, these kids are playing around way too much. Ah, leave me alone.
Woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you will never know a God without a goddess is honest.
No, let's go.
I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till it's I could be the CEO, just like
I wanna fight.
Audio made by Michael.